Air traffic control is a system that keeps airplanes safe. It makes sure planes don't crash into each other. Controllers tell pilots when to turn, climb, and descend. This system is vital for safe air travel. Without it, the skies would be chaotic and dangerous. Air traffic controllers are highly trained professionals. They work in control towers and radar centers. Their job is demanding and requires great responsibility. They are the unsung heroes of aviation safety. Air traffic control starts on the ground. Before takeoff, pilots get clearance from controllers. Controllers guide planes to the runway. They ensure safe spacing between departing aircraft. Once in the air, planes are handed off to different controllers. These controllers monitor the plane's altitude and route. They use radar and communication systems to track flights. They give instructions to pilots to maintain safe distances. As planes approach their destination, controllers guide their descent. They sequence arriving aircraft for safe landing. Controllers clear planes to land on a specific runway. They ensure a smooth flow of traffic in a busy airport environment. An air traffic controller's day is filled with challenges. They start by reviewing weather conditions and traffic volume. Throughout the day, they manage a constant stream of aircraft. They coordinate takeoffs, landings, and en route traffic. Controllers work in a high-pressure environment. They must make quick decisions based on radar data and pilot communication. They need to be able to multitask and remain calm under pressure. Their job requires intense concentration and attention to detail. Despite the stress, air traffic controllers take pride in their work. They know that their decisions directly impact the safety of passengers and crew. They are committed to maintaining the highest levels of safety in the skies. Air traffic control is a demanding profession with unique challenges. Controllers experience high levels of stress due to the critical nature of their job. They are responsible for the lives of hundreds of people every day. Another challenge is the increasing volume of air traffic. As more people fly, the skies become more crowded. Controllers need to manage more aircraft in the same airspace. This requires advanced technology and efficient procedures. Technology plays a vital role in modern air traffic control. Radar systems, communication networks, and computer software help controllers manage traffic flow. These advancements improve safety and efficiency in the air traffic system.